Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Motorola Moto E6 Play, at first you have to open your clock application. Then move right here on the left upper corner to alarm. We can activate one of these alarms, so let's go for the Saturday and a Sunday, 9 AM. Let's click here to customize, so we can only leave it for the Saturday. We can turn off the vibration, we can change ringtone. As you can see, we are able to set up music from YouTube or Spotify. But we are also able to change the standard basic alarms. We can also add label and use the Google Assistant routine. So for example, we can just adjust media volume, or we can play podcasts or audiobook wherever you want. So here we are able to pick the things, then click save in the right upper corner, and if you want to finish, you have to just close it by clicking right here. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.